just got out of the gym. Not much else to report. Cruise was great. Well, I don't even know if I should get into that. Should I? We had a good time on the cruise. We did. Will I ever go on that cruise line again? Absolutely not. We had a bad experience. I understand that, sure, like, you're gonna make a line here and there, maybe to get off the ship on the days that you gotta get off on the islands and stuff, but there was a line every single time we wanted to go eat. You shouldn't have to constantly be making lines every time you're hungry. Like, that's just my opinion. And I know it sounds kind of like high maintenance, but I've been on other cruises where that wasn't the case. You know, like, they had so many different places to eat that you just didn't have to make a line. So that was one thing. Our toilet just broke. We go in, Roger flushes the toilet and it just started leaking water everywhere, and to a point where it started flooding the entire bathroom, and we had to keep flushing it because it just kept flooding the bathroom. We made the best out of the situation, honestly. We learned our lesson. There's not much you can do in the moment. So we call room service and they send a plumber like half an hour later. And mind you, we had to call room service twice because the first time they didn't, like, they just wouldn't send anyone after 20 minutes. So we had to call a second time and we had to tell them that the room was flooding, basically. And they still took forever, even after the second call. So they finally sent a plumber, and the plumber comes, turns off the water, and he gets the garbage can from the bathroom, and he just starts scooping water. He uses that dirty garbage can to scoop water, toilet water, mind you, and just put it like in the shower. I don't know, like to use like both drains and stuff. I don't know. And then he's like, I'll be back. So he just leaves. He leaves to like get some tools or something, but we didn't want to be there. I had to use the internet for something and the room didn't have good service, so I left the room and Roger stayed there. And then the guy took so long to come back that Roger ended up leaving. So within the time that we weren't there, he fixed the toilet and he used all of the towels, like the clean towels that they leave in the bathroom, to clean all of the toilet water in the bathroom. And then he gets all of those towels and he leaves them in the shower. All of those dirty, wet toilet water towels. And obviously, you know, he doesn't know. He's the plumber. He's not there to clean the room. So what do I expect? I expect them to call room service to just sanitize the bathroom. So what do instead? They bring one of those huge, loud fans because some of the water had leaked out of the bathroom into the cabin rug. And they just put the fan there. They connect this fan to the only outlet that our room has, which is another thing, but that's besides the point. Yeah, they put this huge fan there to dry the rug, and they leave all of the wet, dirty toilet water towels in the shower. And I had to take a shower. We had to get ready to go to dinner. This was like before dinner. So I call room service again and I tell them, hey, they fixed your toilet, but they left all of the dirty towels that they used in the shower, and I have to use the shower, and I don't have clean towels to dry myself with after the shower. And on top of that, shouldn't the bathroom be sanitized if there's like toilet water and like garbage can residue all over the bathroom? And you know, this poor housekeeping, the lady that was assigned to her room, which again, it's not her fault either, she's like, oh my god, are you serious? And I'm like, no, I'm making this up. We could have really complained, and it got to a point where we wanted to, so we go to guest services, which is where you go to like complain or say if you're not satisfied with something. And I kid you not, the line would have taken us an hour. It would have taken us an hour. I don't know if I'm being dramatic. I don't think I am. So yeah, that was my cruise. We still had fun. If you guys saw the vlog, you'll see, like, we still had a great time. We made the best out of it. Good morning, guys. I'm currently trying to find my phone. Oh my god, my hair. Here we go. Here we go. It's not cooperating today. Hey Siri, ping my phone.
It doesn't look like I can launch that app on your Apple.
Find my phone.
Please unlock your iPhone first.
There it is. It works. guys. Yeah, I want to go to the gym fasted because I gained a little bit of weight on the cruise. I also don't feel like cooking breakfast right now because it takes too long. So when I get back I have to film. So let's try to get the day started, shall we? For today's outfit, it's just my crop top from Amazon in gray. My leggings are just the Nike cropped Legends, I think. By the way, please excuse, you guys already know that I have to have this extension because I don't have enough outlets, and then this is stuff that's going to be donated. And my Adidas, these are the main sneakers that I wear because they are the most comfortable sneakers that I own. So I just got back from the gym and I'm making myself breakfast because I'm dying. So whenever I don't feel like doing my egg whites or like scrambled eggs because it takes too long, I just fry 2 eggs and put half of a cheese on them, and then I put it in an English muffin. And I don't eat this every day because it does get a little fattening, but like once a week is not bad, or like twice a week. Once you try Trader Joe's orange juice, like there's no going back. I went to Publix because I have one near my house and the Trader Joe's is just too far, so I haven't been able to go, and it completely makes my shakes taste bad. After I shower, I'm going to get ready to film. I got a comment in my August favorites video to film. Dexter's drinking, of course. I'll just let him finish. Somebody asked if I could do like a lookbook for fall outfits for hotter climates, and that's great because like I love to dress for the seasons, but I don't dress how people who actually experience colder seasons dress because it's just way too hot here. So I do my own take on fall. Like I do kind of like layer, but there are certain tips and tricks that I do in order to prevent myself from having a heat stroke and still dress for the season. I just finished filming. It took me so much longer to film this video than it should have because my batteries for my camera aren't working. I think they're too old already, so they just kept running out of battery. This is my little mess that I have going on. If it would focus. I just talked about all of my fall essentials, so yeah, if you guys haven't seen that video, definitely check it out. It is the first of many fall related videos. It's just not easy being him. Is that drool on your bed? What is that? Way too hot. I have to go drop off my comforter back here because it should be cleaned already and I can't fit it in my washer. Then I'm gonna go to the mall because I have to return some pajamas. I had mentioned a couple of videos ago that I'm trying to buy good quality pajamas little by little, and I really liked my first J. Crew ones that I bought, so I bought a second pair, but the fabric is not the same. Like it's not that jersey material that I like, so I'm gonna return it. To a different dry cleaner, and it's a lot more expensive in this one than in the one that I usually take it to, so now I know. Okay, to the mall we go. So I just finished filming the video that I had to film today. and I'm going to go to my parents' house. But before, let me show you my outfit. My shirt's kind of like untucked. My shirt is from And Other Stories. Necklace is from Majuri. Longer necklace is from HRH Collection. Very, very old. Belt is from Mango. Jeans are from Redone. My shoes are from Everlane. And then my bag is very old from Everlane, and I just put my scarf on it. And my earrings are both by Majuri. And I want to take Dexter with me, and he doesn't know, so he's depressed because he thinks I'm gonna leave him. Wanna go? Do you wanna go for a ride? Let's go. Let's go. When I get his leash, he knows. Oh, he's so excited. He's so excited.
So you're in a hurry? Well, you better calm down. We're all friends around you, just join the fun. 'Cause if you're in a hurry, you're missing the point. Should enjoy the fruits of life instead of chasing coins. Because it's a beautiful day.
Good morning, guys. It is Monday, September 10th, and I'm on my way to cut my hair because it desperately needs to be cut. Hence why my hair looks a mess right now. It's dirty. So I just finished doing my hair. I cut a little bit, like 4 inches or so off. Now I'm gonna go to the post office to pick up some shipping materials because I have to ship some stuff. And then I'm gonna go home. I just left the post office and I'm wearing my new Girlfriend Collective set, which I talked about in my fall haul. Absolutely love this thing. It's so comfortable. Gym today because I need to do some work in our backyard. We've kind of been neglecting it a little. So we went to Home Depot and we bought some stuff because we're going to kind of do something about this area back here. We're gonna take the weeds out. We're gonna put one of those like tarp sheets that's to control weeds, and temporarily we're going to either put mulch on it or something so that we can use that space meanwhile. Also, I got a climber because my bougainvillea plant is growing over here. Those are the first little flowers that it's given me. So I got a climber because I want it to kind of like get attached to this wall over here. I'm just gonna dedicate today to the backyard because it desperately needs some TLC. So yeah, join me. we finished what we wanted to do today, and now I'm taking out my fall decor, which isn't much. I have this little wire pumpkin, and then this, which goes on my door. I don't really like to hoard a lot of decor. My house is pretty small, and then I can only use all of the seasonal decor for like a couple months either way. So I don't like to have too much of it, but I probably will add 1 or 2 things every year. So this year I'll probably go and buy like 2 more things. Oh, and my bougainvillea you guys saw. It doesn't look that great because I have to buy another one of these little wire climber things to put on this side so that all this side can grow up as well. So I trimmed it a little. It doesn't look too great, but it grows pretty fast, so it's fine. I'm on my way to a laser appointment, so please excuse my appearance. I don't know. I didn't do anything to my hair, so it's just like I don't know what's going on with it. Yeah. Today, by the way, I got these glasses, and I really love like the whole rectangle glasses thing, but I'm trying to figure out if I like these or not. They're kind of big. I think they're too big for my face or something. I don't know. I like them. I like the idea of them, and I like them when I look at them off my face, but on my face is kind of another story. So yeah, just picked up breakfast because I'm going to go to laser my pits, people. Laser my pits and my upper lip. I also laser my mustache area. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Are you here for the treatment?
Yeah.
Yes, and your name?
Gemary.
Gemary. Okay. So while I have you, we could go ahead and
I kind of haven't of course.